So before I start applying my foundation, because I have two things of foundation. I have my Fit For Me Spicy Brown, and I have my L'Oreal 24-hour foundation. Before I do that, wash your hands. And I apply a little bit of lotion to my face just to moisturize it. So I grease my face, moisturize my face, and I take my little handy dandy brush. The brush. And I usually just use this little bit. This is for my whole face. What's in the top. See it? That little bit is for my whole face. I just try to get rid of all my spots on my face. That's the only purpose of my makeup. I want it to look natural. So I take it and I'm just going to dot in all of my spots, but I'm not going to cover my beauty mark because that's how people know I'm not a catfish when I put on my makeup. Count my beauty marks. And you take your brush and you just pat them out. We're just going to blob them, pat them out. We want to blend them in as much as possible. We want clear, even skin. Just wipe them up, wipe them up, wipe them up. Spread them out. Blend in. Wipe away all my marks and fine lines. We want it nice, even canvas to start with. And just all up in here. Okay, now that you got your face how you want it for the most part, and your shades are pretty darn on point, you're pretty even, I like to go ahead and go to my eyeshadow. And I got this. This is what my makeup thing is, you know, my eyeshadow and all that stuff. Got this from Amazon. This was a Christmas gift. Not sure what they got, where they got. I'm gonna see if I can find a link, and I'm gonna attach the link in the description. But it has everything in it, and it's a little messy because I took the plastic covering off. So yeah, colors, everything I need, all these beautiful colors. So I think I'm gonna do blue, and usually I start with a solid base white color, but today I'm just gonna go straight into it. So I'm gonna choose this blue, this nice blue, turquoise blue, very bright. Love bright colors. And I'm gonna apply it, start from the inside, and just try to follow my lines, my natural folds in my eye. Outline it, and it's okay if you make a mistake because we have alcohol. If you have alcohol, because it's a pandemic and everybody's out of everything. So these are the faces I make when I put on my makeup. Like I was saying before, this makeup is amazing because it really blends and covers up my skin, and I don't have to apply too much. Like, it's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna try this green and see how it looks on my face. It's this green. This is how it looks. I'm gonna see how it looks with this together. Looks good. But again, you just look at your face and just, you know, filling in, having fun, hopefully. Okay, so that's how my eyes look. I love them. I love the eyeshadow. Little fade. My nose is not the shape I want, so what we're going to do, we're going to make it the shape I want. We're going to take a pencil and outline, and I'm going to go for my shadow line. Because I have my brother's father's nose. And I want to adjust that a little bit. Okay. And we're going to take our handy dandy brush, not that brush, this brush, and we're going to, and I like to when I do that. I like to get a brush and just wipe, get some alcohol and a pad and just wipe it in. I don't know what this is. I think it's concealer, but we're just going to dab right here just to lighten this up because it's really dark. And we're just going to dab it in. So yeah, bam. And as you see, I haven't got my lip wax, so we want to go ahead and put some nice foundation and brush this out. Just tap it out, tap it, tap, 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 tap it. Just trying to erase hairlines. Up, tap in and up, in and up, in and up. What you want to do now is get a paper napkin, wipe away excess makeup that is just sitting on the top of your face. Just wipe it away. Wipe it away. Okay, we're going to take this, my other foundation, and wash your hands with water. Now we're going to take this. Oh, and there's already some out. And we're just going to dab just to get it back to my skin zone, because sometimes you would makeup just doesn't set right on your face sometimes with your natural skin color. And we're just going to make that, it's like, it like brightens up my skin a little bit. And just blend it in. I'm going to do my forehead too. I'm going to do this line on my face. Forehead. Just everywhere. So now we're just about to use this magnetic eyelashes that I got from Amazon. So this is it. This is the magnetic eyelashes glue, and these are the lashes. And this is what you use, a utensil you use to help you put it on there. Instructions say to add 2 thick coats of this. Shake before you use. Thankfully, I have another mirror. It's going to help me adjust this. So usually what I like to do is get my eyelash and pull it down and just draw a line. That's gonna affect everything. So there's one. Grab your top eyelash and just go in. Just draw your line. Maybe that's what that's for. Just a little. You're supposed to let it dry after you put on 2 coats. Now we're gonna see if I can put my first lash on. So, and if it is magnetically stick on, which they do, I can never get them where I want them to be. So, I think this is what this is for. If you can grab your eyelashes, go, hold it down, and stick this on. Stick these on. Kind of look like they're natural, right? It works. They stick. I tell you, they make a difference. I'll make it look like it lines up. Let's use mascara. I need some more of this. And he'll put it on my list. Have some. Just to brush it up. It'll darken up your natural lashes to match your false lashes. Face beat, eyebrows, and face makeup. Looking cute. There you have it. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Bam, boom, today. Please hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends, tell your wife, tell your kids, tell your co-workers to tune in and look in and subscribe to my channel, because the more you subscribe, the more I can help you. We all need to be rich. Let's get rich, chick. Okay? So thank you for tuning in. I would usually do my lips. Might as well do it right now. But if I was making my own lip gloss, I would just simply, the only thing I would do is put on some Carmex, get a Q-tip, get my eyeshadow of the color I want, and just blend them. And it makes a nice little gloss that lasts all night for the most part. As long as you don't eat or wipe it off, all them still lasts. Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Mwah, mwah, mwah. You look good, girl. Good.